Casey. Hi, Ken. Ken. Baby. Casey.
You cut something, you cut.
Hmm?
It's just very nice.
Be careful, ha?
We're cutting.
You sleep na, you sleep, go there. You sleep na.
There's Lola. Ken.
Ken, look at that.
Ken, oh. Hi.
Chloe, look at that.
Ken. Chloe. Ken. Chloe. Lola. Baby.
Yun nga, ito, pagkuhan, lasing tumiwiya.
We're cutting.
Oh, no, don't do that. You play only. You play. You sleep na. You sleep na. Let us get the toys and you sleep there. Sige, matilis ang... Oh, wala ka pagkati nagsasalita.
Madaldal.
Oo. May katigasan din ang unang tumisan. Pagka natutulog na, pinapahiran ko yung paa.
Ah, para malinis.
Ay, madumi eh.
Kalikot po eh.
Oh. Your feet. Dirty na rin. Papahiran niya. Papahiran.
Hello, Ken.
Pag sa isang taon to, iba naman ang mukha nito. Ito, mag-iibang mukha to. Siguro to magiging kamukha na ng kanyang daddy. Di ba nakita mo na yung kabal na yun?
Kasi an po ata.
What do you like?
Casey.
Don't open that. Angry. Yan, nagalit na.